Hi, so my name is Florin Ilie. I'm from SolarX Smart Energy. We are a PV system installer in Romania, based in Bucharest. We install approximately 5 megawatts per year, and we also do residential and commercial PV systems. So we choose Huawei FusionSolar, our partner, because in my opinion they have the best products on the market right now. They are very flexible. They also have products on the residential and the CI part, and it's really flexible mainly for installers because we can integrate all Huawei equipments in one system and have it available on one app. So usually our partners choose Huawei FusionSolar because we expose to them all the benefits that Huawei bring. Starting from the warranty service, coming through the flexibility of the system and that they can expand really easy their systems. Of course, Huawei brought us a lot of value. First of all, I would like to say that the installers are way better equipped and documented when installing PV systems. And the second one is that we can monitor very easily, and we also can configure the PV system after the installation, which is a great thing because we have full control of the entire PV system. Our customers are very anxious when they see our Huawei because first of all, they are really beautiful as the equipment. We never have problems, and if we have problems, they are fixed in 1 or 2 days at maximum. They like the service and the support from Huawei, and they all love the Huawei Fusion app because it's very good made. They have statistics and they can also troubleshoot their own PV system. Huawei is one of the safest brands on the market. So they have the best safety, the best protection, the best warranty. And I'm not saying this just because of saying. I'm saying this because we also installed a lot of brands, but we stayed at Huawei because these are the features that we love. And moreover, we don't have any defects in Huawei. Our rate of defects on Huawei is fewer than 0.5%. So it's a great equipment.